I
and
think
moving
that
ahead means let's make a procedure.
by the way, sir.
71
Can I tell
Wait,
you that
one
is
minute,
what
one minute,
India
one minute.
wants?
Before,
Can I
I
tell
think we
you
are getting
that
Bangladesh.
responses. No, I'll tell you one thing. I think we are getting responses. Now, Air Vice
do in
Marshal
Bangladesh?
Abid
Tell him
Rao.
what we
We have a
want.
lot
No,
of,
no, Air Vice
but
Marshal Abid Rao.
as I said earlier,
Air
if
Vice
we keep
Marshal
on
Abid
going
Rao.
that in time, we will stop at
Air Vice
any
Marshal
Babar's
Abid
invasion of
Rao.
India.
Air Vice Marshal Abid Rao, before I allow our
I'm
two
sorry,
Indian
these
panelists to
military
respond
guys
to
do
you.
not know the
1
law.
minute.
Let me tell them
one
the
minute.
law.
1 minute. 1 minute. I find it strange that instead of answering my direct questions, 7 of my questions out of 10, I've only asked 7 of my 10 questions. I've got no straight answer. I've been told to keep my feet within my socks. My feet are on the ground and my head is on my shoulders. I asked 7 questions and none of the 3 Pakistani panelists have had to answer any of my questions. You're only putting counter questions back to me, sir. Ask yourself, why are you putting counter questions to me, sir? Answer my questions. And those pictures there of Sarabjit's body landing in his hometown today, the whole country, sir, is behind that family.
Done it long time back.
Shoot!
Bring your tanks if that is
Shoot
what
your
satisfies you.
questions.
I have
number of
surprised 7
questions.
questions. General and Air Marshal
ahead.
and Brigadier, with the greatest of respect to you, sir, I asked 7 questions. I get not one answer. You can throw as much abuse at me as you want or counter questions. I will still ask my 8th question. My next, Meenakshi Lekhi and Maruf Raza wish to respond to you. Meenakshi Lekhi,
You don't want to listen to logic. That is your problem.
I heard you. Now hear Meenakshi Lekhi.
No, I'll tell you what the logic is, sir. Will you, if you have the patience to hear the logic? If you want to hear the logic, then a criminal needs to be punished for the acts of criminality. And if these people have murdered, the murder is proven beyond doubt, these people should be hanged in your jails, and give us a list of people who you have hanged. We will then be satisfied, and that is what India wants. A punishment for murder is
This is
death
what I
penalty,
said.
and they should be
We are
given
saying
death
that from
penalty.
day one,
I will
sir,
like
that
to
is
see how many people get the death penalty.
I have breaking news for our guests from Pakistan. May I share it with them, please?
Can't you wait till that time?
No, I have breaking news for you, General.
My position from day one.
That's all right, sir. I've got breaking news now for you.
Identified.
I will read out this press report.
Identified.
I will read out this press report.
Be awarded deterrent
I will read out this press report. Hear me, sir. And those are pictures from Sarabjit's hometown of his body being brought. And I can only tell you the entire country, all of India, 1.21 billion Indians, is that family. This is a moment of unification, and this is an inflection point in India-Pakistan relations. For far too long has India extended a hand of tremendous generosity towards Pakistan. And today, sir, the news is this, that the Human Rights Commission of Pakistan has said that Sarabjit Singh could not have been fatally attacked without the knowledge and support of prison guards and the higher authorities. They have said that we want action against all those who took part in the assault. And it has gone on to say not even the most naive person can believe that a prisoner like Sarabjit in a death cell inside a jail can be targeted in such a brutal and sadistic assault by prisoners without the knowledge and active support of the authorities. Sir, this is your human rights watchdog, not mine. Your human rights watchdog. They have put a mirror on your face.
And
This is what I've been saying
Arnab,
from day one.
what a contrast it forms. What a
now what will
contrast it
satisfy
forms,
you?
Arnab,
What will
with
satisfy
the
you?
way
I mean-
we defended Ajmal Kasab. 54 crore rupees worth was spent on that man, whom the whole world had seen shooting innocent civilians on the railway station. A confirmed killer,
And they did
seen
not
by
accept the
millions of
body.
eyes across the globe. We kept him safe. We also have lunatics and dangerous prisoners in our jails. We could easily have fed him to the wolves. He could also have been torn apart limb by limb. But the government went to the inordinate length of inviting ridicule by spending 54 crore rupees.
When we are
If you
agreeing
want
with you
to
on this
safeguard a
subject,
prisoner,
that
if you
what
have the
happened is very
intent to
unfortunate.
safeguard a
Shouldn't have
prisoner,
happened.
that is the way
Now, what
you do.
else? I mean, where do we move from here?
So where you move from here,
You start quoting
line up all those who carried out the act of butchery. Line them all up and
Yes,
give
yes,
them the
yes,
punishment they deserve.
And give them death
Put them on
penalty.
the death row.
Of course.
Put them on the death
You are
row.
saying this now. I said
Correct.
this on day one.
And what has happened, Brigadier Javed Hussain? Not even a suspension.
Even
what
that
is-
has a
what about
procedure, Mr.
Chaman Singh?
Goswami, but the governments have to do something more.
Brigadier Javed,
Wait,
may I like to
get-
tell you one thing? May I just draw
There
attention
is-
to one
there
aspect?
is no procedure
Brigadier
which exists
Javed,
there.
Yes.
may I draw attention to one
Yes,
aspect?
yes.
You
Yes.
know, the point is, this is not a one-off incident. I'm very glad the Air Marshal brought in the point of perspective. It is not a one-off incident. This particular series of incidents started with the beheading. There is one beheading, there is one torture to death, Chaman Singh, there is one removal of organs, now this is the third. What we are talking of is a pattern of behavior. I know it is very difficult for our Pakistani interlocutors
2013.
to defend this particular action, and they have not. In all fairness, I would say that they have not.
Why
But
don't we move
it
ahead?
doesn't stop here.
Make procedure,
It has
tell
to
your
stop
government, I will
with
tell my government that
action
let's sit down,
which will
that
change
this does not happen
behavior.
again.
No, sir.
That
This
was
is
It will have to change outcomes.
We will not sit
Outcomes
down
will have
till
to
we
be
get
changed
the
by
scalp of
deterrent
these people.
punishment
Yeah,
to
this- I
prevent
think-
traitors.
I think.
Sir, let me just tell him one thing. That
Go ahead.
Mr. Goswami, you just talked about, elections and using this point for somebody in his own favor. You see the manifesto of all our parties, not a single one has anti-India element, which used to be once upon a time, and your parties carry even today. Hate Pakistan policy. Your media is logged onto that. That
Sir,
any
I'm
small
sorry.
incident, it is blown out of proportion as if we are going to war tomorrow.
This
Have
is
a heart.
not a small incident.
Let's look at
please.
it. Pakistani people don't hate India or Indians. But this is the impression I get from
Remember
your channel
Chishti,
that
we
you are
sent him
not
back.
going to
Sir, I think you are
spring-loaded to such
completely-
positions.
sir, I think you are
we can
completely
sit down
mistaken.
and exchange lot of
I think you
information
are
on this.
completely
If you wish
mistaken.
to-
No, one second.
I'm sorry, that is their pattern.
No,
Arnab,
I
let me
want to ask
expose
you.
one more.
No, I want to ask
But
you.
that
That
you
is
do
their
to Sipai
pattern.
Maqbool Hussain,
They
first
first
answer
kill
that,
and then they start
Dr.
talking.
Chishti.
So they will always talk softly, but they will act in a brutal manner. We do not want any talks with them till we see the results. Till they change their direction, we do not wish to talk to them.
No, I
That
want-
is the message that needs to be
Correct.
sent to them.
Air Marshal-
You can't be talking to these
Correct.
people
No.
because
No,
this
yes,
is
no.
a pattern. You first kill, then start talking. Then kill, then start talking.
Our direction
We
is
do
very
not want to
correct.
fall into this
We
trap.
have not
And this
at
is
all
nonsense.
misled
Aman
nation.
ki Asha has failed in this country.
The fact of the matter is very simply
If you
this.
wish to,
When
They are
if you
rogue.
wish to digress,
nobody is digressing.
should be-
Brigadier Javed Hussain.
No, this is not at all
Brigadier,
our pattern.
Brigadier Javed
You should be
Hussain.
angrier.
Brigadier Javed Hussain, let me tell you, a convicted murderer called Mr.
I'm-
Chishti. 1 second. A convicted murderer called Mr. Chishti, who was more than 80 years old, was granted bail in April 2012. He was a convicted murderer, a murderer
sent
with a
back.
capital M. Those are his pictures. And do you know why he was granted bail? Because we, as a far more generous and mature democracy, felt that if we release a man like him because of his age, then perhaps we send a message out to the people of Pakistan that we can improve relations. We sent him back. And today, you have sent Sarabjit and Chaman Singh in body bags. You have responded by sending Sarabjit and Chaman Singh in body bags for return for our gesture.
And why should we forget their misdeeds?
And the question is, Maruf, my question is to
It is
Maruf.
the Pakistanis who
I'm
brought
sorry,
back
they need to be
Indian
remembered.
crews from Somalia.
While dealing with
Maruf.
It was not
Pakistanis.
the Indians who did it.
Maruf.
So please don't forget all that.
Sir, I've got no... Maruf, what is the impact of this? What is going to be the impact on this if Pakistan continues to be in denial? If there is no action for political or whatever reasons, I want you, Maruf, to summarize for our guests from Pakistan and across the nation, what will be the impact of the butchery of Sarabjit?
diplomatic relations.
Arnab,
Invade Pakistan.
I think the immediate impact is going to be, and we've seen some of that in the parliament today, when the opposition parties chose to walk out because of the government's inaction in dealing aggressively with both sides of our neighborhood, where issues have been evolving and where people are not getting satisfactory responses. So I think the government's going to come under a great deal of pressure to pull the brakes in terms of the bilateral dialogue process, And I'm quite convinced, much as Pakistanis may like to flatter themselves, that they are going to be, quite live with an India which doesn't want to talk to them. But in a world today where the Americans have given up on the Pakistanis, despite the fact the Pakistanis having a long history of alliance with them, the Chinese are now embarrassed to deal with them, the Saudis have abandoned them, Pakistan's only hope, and this is, I'm quoting Ahmed Rashid, an eminent sociologist of Pakistan, is to build ties and bridges with India. But with this kind of a response, Pakistan's not going to be able to build bridges with India. The Air Marshal keeps quoting the case of one Jawan of 1965 war who was apparently mistreated in India. But Pakistan's failed to answer the repeated requests of 53 families from India whose husbands and brothers and kin are lying unrecorded, unattended, unacknowledged in Pakistani jails as prisoners of war. We need answers to that. And finally, what is most disappointing to me, that we thought there was hope, at least in our interaction with civil society. But barring moderates like Brigadier Javed Hussain, we have people in Pakistan, civilian society, and the institutions like the armed forces and the police, which have now adopted the culture of the jihadis. We are now facing a situation which is a state which I'm sorry to say is a functional anarchy, and the arms of the states are completely now infected by the virus of jihad, which is a very sorry state of affairs. And I think New Delhi needs to revisit its entire relationship with Pakistan.